In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix common problems with Google Drive when it's not syncing properly. Let's dive right in and get your Google Drive back on track smoothly and efficiently. First and foremost, the cornerstone of any online service is a stable internet connection. It's essential to ensure that you are connected well before you look into more complex solutions. Begin by making sure your device is linked to a robust internet network. A quick way to check this is by attempting to open a website in your browser. Pick one that you know loads quickly and reliably. If the page loads without a hitch, you can be confident that your internet connection is up to par. However, if you encounter delays or failure to load, your internet might be the culprit behind the syncing issues. In this case, you might want to try reconnecting your device to your network or even take a moment to restart your router, which often does the trick. Once your internet is stable, the next step is to give Google Drive itself a quick reboot. On a Windows or Mac computer, you can do this by locating the Google Drive icon, which is typically nestled near your system clock. Click on it to reveal a menu, then select the option to quit or exit. Doing so fully closes Google Drive, and once that's completed, you simply need to open it again. This small action refreshes the connection between your computer and Google's servers, often fixing small hiccups in the process. If you're using Google Drive on a mobile device like an Android or an iPhone, the process is somewhat similar. Start by ensuring the Drive app is closed. You may need to swipe it away from your list of recent apps. Once fully closed, just tap on the app to open it again. This helps refresh its connection as well. Lastly, let's not forget about your storage space on Google Drive. Over time, your files can add up and eventually exceed the allotted storage limit, which can hinder syncing capabilities. Take a moment to visit the Google Drive storage section. If you notice your storage is maxed out, it might be time to do some spring cleaning. Deleting files that you no longer need or transferring them to another backup location can free up space, allowing Google Drive to function more effectively. Alternatively, if those files are precious and you're unable to part with them, consider upgrading your storage plan to accommodate more files. By following these straightforward yet effective steps, you should see improvements in how Google Drive syncs your files. Hopefully, these tips help you troubleshoot quickly whenever syncing issues arise. Happy syncing, and thanks for watching!